Whenever humanity expands, fear follows. If Venus becomes industrialized, does Earth lose importance? If Venus produces energy and advanced materials, does Earth become obsolete? This is the wrong framework. Civilizations fail when they compete internally. They succeed when they specialize. Earth is biosphere, Venus is industry. The Moon is extraction. 3 worlds, 3 roles. Earth must transition from heavy industrial dependency to regenerative stewardship, forests, oceans, biodiversity, soil systems. Carbon balance. Venus handles high-energy chemical transformation, large-scale atmospheric processing, advanced materials engineering, energy generation above the clouds. The Moon supplies structural metals and vacuum-based manufacturing. Each planetary body becomes part of a distributed system. Not rivalry, interdependence. If Venus competes with Earth for profit, instability emerges. If Venus reduces pressure on Earth's ecosystems, restoration accelerates. The question is not where profit is highest. The question is where damage is lowest. A planetary system must be designed intentionally. Otherwise, expansion simply exports exploitation. Earth must not become abandoned. Venus must not become exploited. Moon must not become militarized. Balance is architecture. Architecture requires governance. Governance requires foresight. This is why planetary civilization cannot evolve accidentally. It must be structured. Earth remains the cradle of life. Venus becomes the laboratory of transformation. The Moon becomes the platform of industry. Together they form a cycle, a planetary cycle. Expansion without restoration is collapse. Expansion with symbiosis is evolution. Episode 37 of the Venus Civilization Blueprint.